姿勢を低くして頭を守ってください。ただ避難をしているという方は揺れる中ではありますが、避難をやめないでください。高いところへ逃げ続けてください。怪我をしないよう気をつけながら高いところへ逃げ続けてください。内陸にお住まいの皆さんは倒れやすい家具などからは離れてください。
So we've evacuated. We're stuck in traffic, of course, but I think we're far enough away that we should be okay if there is a tsunami. Important lessons we've learned. Don't get in such a rush that you forget your emergency bag, like I just did. And also, if the weather is okay like this, we would have been better off taking our bicycles instead of trying to drive, because this traffic is crazy. We could have been so much further away by now. Okay, but we're safe. Okay, we're safe. That's all that matters.